Welcome to Yuan Li Jewelry membership registration. Hi there, future member. Let's dive into the membership registration process. To begin, choose the best membership option, wholesale program for bulk orders, or shipping for hassle-free online selling. Step 2. Fill in your details, your name, email, and a few other essentials. Don't worry, your information is safe with us. Step 3. Keep an eye out for an email from us. For your peace of mind and account security, simply click the link inside within 48 hours to verify your account and unlock benefits of being member. Your dedicated sales representative is eager to assist you with tailored support and exclusive services within 48 hours. From all of us here, congratulations and thank you for choosing Yuan Li Jewelry. Your custom gift journey has officially begun, and trust us, it's going to be dazzling.